Zulum visits 434 freed Ngoshe hostages in Borno. And that's the headline for now. We'll be back soon with more breaking stories and major updates from across Nigeria and around the world. Stay tuned and thanks for watching. Welcome to Top Accolade News, your reliable source for the latest stories shaping Nigeria and the world. The governor of Borno State, Babagana Zulum, has visited 434 freed Ngoshe hostages currently receiving care in Pulka, offering support and reassurance as they begin the process of rebuilding their lives. The visit underscores the state government's commitment to assisting victims of insurgency and strengthening humanitarian efforts in communities affected by years of conflict. During his visit, Governor Zulum interacted with the freed hostages, many of whom had endured months of captivity under difficult conditions. He listened to their experiences, expressed sympathy for their ordeal, and assured them that the government would provide the necessary assistance for their recovery and reintegration into society. The governor emphasized that the welfare of displaced persons and victims of insurgency remains a top priority for his administration. He pledged continued support through access to food, healthcare services, psychological counseling, temporary shelter, and other essential relief materials. Officials accompanying the governor stated that the freed hostages include women, children, and elderly residents from Ngoshe and surrounding communities. Medical teams and humanitarian workers have been deployed to assess their health conditions and provide immediate treatment where necessary. Governor Zulum also commended the security agencies and local volunteers whose coordinated efforts contributed to the safe return of the victims. He stressed the importance of continued collaboration between security forces, community leaders, and humanitarian organizations to improve safety across the state. The governor called on residents to remain united and support ongoing peace-building initiatives, noting that lasting security can only be achieved through cooperation and resilience. Community leaders in Pulka welcomed the governor's visit, describing it as a morale booster for the freed hostages and their families. They expressed hope that continued government intervention would help restore normalcy and encourage displaced residents to rebuild their communities. Humanitarian experts also highlighted the importance of long-term rehabilitation programs, including education for children, vocational training for adults, and mental health support for survivors who have experienced trauma. Governor Zulum reiterated his administration's commitment to rebuilding communities devastated by insurgency, improving infrastructure, and creating opportunities that will enable residents to return to productive lives. As Borno State continues its recovery journey, the visit serves as a message of solidarity and hope for hundreds of survivors seeking a fresh start after a difficult chapter. And that's our report on Governor Zulum's visit to the 434 freed Ngoshe hostages in Pulka, Borno State. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more breaking news and in-depth reports from across Nigeria and beyond.